All right, you thought that was crazy. This next one might be crazier. Here is the $1,700 Alibaba electric Jeep. Just order one of those up.
Oh.
For $1,700. I didn't even know you could buy this type of thing.
What is this? Is it plexiglass or?
So this is, there's like a market for these mini electric vehicles, and you head on to Alibaba and you can buy one of these. It comes as a kit and then you build it.
Oh, hey, so that's cool. Turn it around. It's just the windshield that got me.
No. I mean, it's $1,700, right?
Yeah.
So
this is cool.
It's a little kit. It's kind of like an upgraded Power Wheels. You get all the parts. Keep in mind, I'm reading through the article here on Electrek. There's tariffs and duties and stuff like that. So the actual price ended up more like $3,000.
Oh, dude, we should get one of these. Build it.
Like to drive around in here.
Yeah, it's all electric, right?
Yep.
And it looks cool. It's kind of like a Jeep.
It's it's based on a U.S. Army Jeep.
Yeah.
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 Okay, I did sell you a car today.
I'm gonna buy this one.
It's not the one I expected. No, I don't. This is not like street legal or anything.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. There's no airbags or seat belts or anything, and it's smaller than you think it is. By the way, because you're looking at it right now.
Is it like a golf cart size?
There's a video. Go to the video. It's actually kind of funny. The dude's going off road and everything. Right there.
This is not what I expected. This is literally a Power Wheels.
But faster.
Okay.
And more capable than that. Look at him go. I mean, that's a rugged terrain.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why you don't just get an ATV at this point, but there's something, this thing looks a little more special, I guess, because obviously everyone's seen ATVs before.
Yeah.
But look at him. He's out on the job site.
It's like a lawnmower.
Going over the rubble.
I mean, yeah, it's still cool that you get to build an electric vehicle.
Yeah, actually, if you keep scrolling a little bit lower, you can see the individual here. It goes by the name of Kyle on this article. He has some pictures of the step-by-step process building it. You can see him picking up the different elements. It fits into a relatively small package, which fit into the bed of his pickup truck. And then he just had to put it together. And his was shipped to Los Angeles, by the way. You got to pick a port to send it to. So getting it is not all that easy. But if you do, you have a pretty fun, cool little thing.
Seems like it could tow stuff, too.
It goes...
like a little wench.
It goes 25 miles per hour. What'd you call that thing on the front?
Is it a wench or a winch? I was rethinking that too. I was like,
well,
it's a winch.
Do you can you
what? What?
Do you know what a wench is?
Isn't it?
No, it's a winch.
A winch. Yeah.
But do you know what a wench is?
No.
I don't know, somebody else can look it up. You know. Okay. Mo's laughing down there. Never fail, Will. You never fail. You just keep hitting home runs.
Sure. Satisfying the crowd.
Anyway, yeah. So apparently we're ordering that one.